Hello, my name is Amber, and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Boyle County Public Library. Welcome to Tween DIY. Today, I'm going to be showing you all how to make a haunted house lantern. Make sure you have your bag of supplies and find a good place to set up. If you weren't able to get a grab bag, you can gather these supplies from around your house and follow along. Here's what you will need. 1 sheet of black cardstock, pieces of purple cardstock, tacky glue, scissors, and LED tea lights to put inside your haunted house. Step 1. Cut your pieces of paper according to the pattern that came in your Tween DIY bag. Once everything is cut out, it should look like this. Step 2. Start by folding the house itself. Refer to the pattern to see where the fold should go. This is what the house looks like after you've folded. Step 3. Next, you need to glue your lantern. Start by gluing one side onto the other. Step 4. Once the house is glued, fold the house's roof in half. Step 5. Now glue one side of the roof to one side of the haunted house. It's easier to glue it this way. Step 6. Once that side is glued, put the glue on the other flaps and finish gluing the roof onto the top of your paper haunted house. Step 7. Press the roof down to make sure it is secured. Step 8. Now glue the roof decoration. Place it at the peak of the roof. Repeat for the other side as well. Step 9. Now just open up all your windows so you can see the light shine from inside of your paper haunted house. Step 10. Here is the finished paper haunted house lantern ready for an LED tea light. Thank you all so much for watching, and stay tuned next week on Friday at 4 for a new Tween DIY. Feel free to share any pictures you take of your haunted house lanterns with us on our Facebook page.